Oh, boys and girls, happy Friday. This is for IXL DD.1 8th grade. Calculate mean, median, mode, and range. What I do have here is this will be in the assignment. I have definitions of each term. Mean, okay, that's where you add all the numbers together and you divide by how many elements are in the data set. Median, where you line up the numbers from smallest to largest and you find the one in the middle. Mode is the number that shows up the most. And range is where you take your greatest number and your smallest number and you subtract them to find the range. All right, so let's get started. The range. I'm going to find my greatest number, which looks like it's -3, and your smallest number, which is -9. And if you're to do -3, take away -9, that's going to end up being 6, okay? And if you're unsure about your negative numbers, just throw them in the calculator, okay? So +6. Okay, so that's range. Now mean is where we take all those numbers there, we're going to add them together. So 10 plus 0 plus 2 plus 10 plus 0 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 4 plus 1. Now there's other ways to do it. I just like to go in order. It helps me. And then we count how many numbers are in the data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we're going to do 50 divided by 10, and we're going to end up with 5. So the average or the mean is 5. So mean just means to find the average. Okay. Now they want to know the range again, so we're going to take the highest number, which is 8, the lowest number, which is 4. Actually, the highest number, correction, is 9. Lowest number is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. The median, perfect. So now this is the one where you need a little piece of paper and pencil. You're going to take the smallest number first. Okay, so -8, and then our next number, which is -7. And I'm going to cross them off as I do them. And look, here's a -9, so actually that's my smallest. Okay, then we're going to find the next smallest, which looks like is going to be -4. We have 2 of them. So if they repeat, you put them both. Okay. And then we have a -3, a -1, and a 1. Okay. So I'm just putting my commas in so you can see the separate of these numbers. Now, let me change the color here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the middle number and cross these off as I'm doing them. Looking for that middle number, and I'm sure you remember doing this in school. And both my middle numbers are -4, so basically the answer is going to be -4, but if you have 2 different numbers in the middle, you add them together and you divide by 2. So this is going to be -4. All right. And the mode, perfect. So I think this is going to help us hit all 4. The mode is the number that shows up the most. So in this case, just by first glance, it's definitely -10 is my mode. All right, boys and girls, that went over all 4 different things that you have to do on here. Okay, I'll jump a level to show you how it gets harder. It just looks like the numbers may get slightly bigger. That's it. All right, so this is one, and then they throw in some decimals, but use your calculator. Okay, watch this video several times and use these notes that I provided you. Okay, best of luck there. All right. Let me just find the stop button here.